VXRT stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering all this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses and education, I finally figured out what's making money and what's not. And I do have all the proof to back it up on my YouTube channel. Generally speaking, at Vaxart Incorporated stock, I see the price kind of slowly starting to kind of come down, although we had a 20% increase in price. Look at the broader picture. Not that I'm like in a way just like this trashy guy that's always bearish on this, but quite frankly, my last prediction was exactly this. Like it was me being bearish. And here's the proof of me calling things out beforehand. Like 2 weeks ago, you can see it got 70 views. I mean, there was already like, it was way before that. Yeah, this is probably the video that I made then. Yeah, when I was bearish, it was sitting at 71 cents. And if it hadn't, yeah, we never even got a split. So it went from 71 cents up to like down to what, like 45. And the crazy thing about this is this is still in a bearish range. Like it's still a supply zone. So unless there's a big catalyst or breaks above 77 cents, I'm not looking to take things lower. That's how VXRT looks like. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.